I want to take a look at Git branching. Reading from the documentation, branching means you diverge from the main line of development and continue to do work without messing with the main line. So again, it's an appropriate name, a branch, because you think of the main line as the trunk of the tree. And when you branch off, you don't interfere, you don't write code on the main trunk or the main line. And so you could see that some people refer to Git branching as a killer feature, and understanding and mastering this feature gives you a powerful and unique tool. You can entirely change the way you develop code. And so the biggest thing here is to work on teams. And so, one member of the team can work on their own branch. And another member can work on their own branch, and when their code kind of passes all the unit tests, it can merge their individual code back into the main branch, or into the main line, into the main trunk of that tree. And so to create, well, first off, we can view our branches by the Git branch. And so when you get a init, you will get a branch called master by default. It is definitely a convention to rename that to the main line. And we're going to do that with git branch /m main. And so this is just renaming our master branch as main. And now if I run a git branch, you can see we renamed it. And so that is definitely getting rid of some old terminology and using a more up-to-date modern approach, calling it the main branch. From there, you might want to create your own branch very simply by adding the name of the branch after the command git branch. And again, if I run git branch, we have a main and a testing branch. And then the last command, of course, is to delete. Git branch -d will remove a branch. And so kind of the first thing that we have to understand is that branching allows you to work in teams. Also, as an individual developer, you can create branches on your project so that you don't interfere with the main branch, and you can kind of write code that might cause some bugs on its own branch, and then only bring that into the main branch when you know that it's good to go. And so we know how to create branches, rename branches, delete branches. We know why it's a benefit. It's a benefit to work on a team of developers and even in an individual. And in the next video, we will learn how to switch to those branches, make changes, and then merge those back in.